living in his power. I can do all things through Christ which strengtheneth me. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. Jesus had a humble heart. If he abides in us, pride will never dominate our lives. Jesus had a loving heart. If he dwells within us, hatred and bitterness will never rule us. Jesus had a forgiving and understanding heart. If he lives within us, mercy will temper our relationships with our fellow men. Jesus had an unselfish heart. If he lives in us, selfishness will not predominate, but service to God and others will come before our selfish interests. You say, that's a big order. I admit that. It would be impossible if you had to measure up to him in your own strength and with your natural heart. Paul recognized that he could never attain this heart purity by his own striving. Prayer for the day. So live in me today that I will be able to radiate your love and grace, Jesus.